Hook midnight to 0:15. Did you know that 40% of AI productivity gains are lost to rework for errors? That's a lot of wasted time. AI can change this. Let's explore how. In this video, we'll cover the top 5 AI tools. You'll be amazed at what they can do. Set up 0:15 to 1 o'clock. With AI advancing rapidly, these tools matter now. Claude's new AI just changed the internet forever. Imagine what you can achieve with the right tools. From content creation to automation, we've got you covered. These tools will boost your productivity. Let's dive in and explore each one. Claude 1 to 230. Claude is an AI that processes requests fast. It handles 100,000 requests per second. Imagine you need to analyze data. Instead of 2 hours, Claude does it in 1 minute. It's free or $29 per month. Entrepreneurs need this for efficient data analysis. Claude's new AI is a game changer, as seen in the recent news. It's changing the internet forever. With Claude, you can focus on growth. No more tedious data analysis. It's a total time saver. Jasper 2:30 to 4 o'clock. Jasper is a content generator. It creates high-quality content in under 10 seconds. Imagine you need to write a blog post. Instead of 2 days, Jasper does it in 10 seconds. It's $29 per month. Content creators need this for fast content generation. Jasper saves you time and effort. You can create more content in less time. It's a huge productivity boost. With Jasper, you can focus on marketing. No more writer's block. It's a total creativity booster. Notion 4 to 5:30. Notion is a task organizer. It helps you prioritize tasks with ease. Imagine you need to manage projects. Instead of 1 week, Notion does it in 1 day. It's free to try. Project managers need this for efficient task management. Notion saves you time and reduces stress. You can manage multiple projects at once. It's a huge time saver. With Notion, you can focus on strategy. No more tedious project planning. It's a total productivity booster. Zapier 5:30 to 6:30. Zapier is an automation tool. It automates over 1,000 apps and services. Imagine you need to automate tasks. Instead of 1 month, Zapier does it in 1 hour. It's $19.99 per month. Business owners need this for efficient automation.